इधर आओ. I hosted my kitty party in this Vikramgarh resort. It was exclusive and good. I want to make my friends feel special. So I have booked a room for making my friends comfortable. उन्हें इतना अच्छा लगा and everyone enjoyed the kitty party like anything. They were really happy to see the service, the people serving out over there. Everything was cool going from starter till the food served. हर एक चीज इतनी अच्छी, नीट, टाइडी एंड अलग, होमली एटमॉस्फेयर. एंड वी प्लेड डम शराड्स, वी प्लेड द हाउजी. एवरीवन एंजॉयड लाइक एनीथिंग. मैं हमेशा से चाहती थी कि मेरे फ्रेंड्स को पता चले कि मैं किटी पार्टी एक अच्छी जगह में कर रही हूँ. सो दिस इज द विक्रमगढ़ रिसोर्ट, द बेस्ट वन. I will really recommend my friends Udaipur should come up and have kitty party over here for once.